from Maryborough from the charger that is provided by Queensland government for 1 year, which is free for 1 year. These chargers you can see between Brisbane and Cairns, which are allowing electric vehicles to travel between. Now, in combination with Tesla chargers, they allow us to travel between Adelaide and Cairns. Now, thanks Craig for pointing out that these chargers, Craig, thanks if you are watching, you showed me the pictures of those being loaded at Brisbane airport and being shipped to America via Hawaii, Honolulu. And these, I didn't know, they are made in Maryborough, here in Queensland, in Brisbane, and shipped all over the world pretty much now, because they claim that this is the smallest footprint, very small and compact charger that is very easy to install, and is actually water cooled. It has a very specific water cooled technology built into this, so that it can push in 50 kilowatts of electricity into the cars, which is amazing. And what I want to talk about today here is battery degradation and service centers. And thanks Ben Cullen for suggesting this and for asking me to do a video about those, because I think it's very, very fitting. So thanks Ben for your input and for watching these videos. Battery degradation is minimal with the Tesla batteries, simply because the temperature management is amazing. Those batteries, they have ideal output and charging abilities at certain temperatures. So that means the temperature control here is really spot on. Comparing to other cars like Nissan Leaf, it's one huge block of batteries that they are not cooled or not water cooled, and the middle cells in that big battery Nissan Leaf, they kind of degrade very quickly. So what Tesla's done, it's a system of valves and glycol that circulates around and keeps the temperature ideal. Now, battery degradation, people keep asking like, well, those batteries must have some lifetime. How often do I have to replace them? We don't know yet, because those cars have not been in operation for that long, but we know that there is a guy in Norway, he's done 800,000 kilometers. Guys, 800,000 kilometers, and the battery degradation is anywhere between 3 to 5% from the known data so far. That means that car, he has charged 2,000 times. If we calculate it on the basis of that his range was about 400 kilometers, so 2,000 cycles of charging and discharging, which is absolutely amazing. And that is thanks to temperature control and temperature management of these batteries in Tesla cars. Now this moves me to service centers. Yes, there are minor issues and things that are not to liking of some people, but still I believe that there is more benefits and more cool things and amazing things about this technology. There is about 800 cars in Queensland, 800 Tesla cars, or possibly electric vehicles, I don't know. I think it's estimated 2,500 Tesla cars in Australia and about 800 in Queensland. Queensland, as you know, is huge, and we only have one service center in Brisbane, in Fortitude Valley. There is many Tesla cars that are in rural areas, operating on farms by people who bought them because they can charge them with a 3-phase at home, and it costs them 1/3 of the price of the petrol or diesel. Even with the maintenance, which is very minimal with these cars, mostly tires, fluid for the windscreen wipers, and once in 5 years the glycol, the coolant in the temperature control management of the batteries need replacing. So that's it, service centers. I hope there will be more Tesla service centers in Queensland, and there will be only if and when more people buy these electric cars. It's exciting that Tesla Model 3 is coming to Australia in 2019, maybe 2020, which is a smaller, cheaper version of this car here, and probably for about half price of Tesla Model S. That will be first electric, and is already in America. They delivered about 2,500 Model 3s in America, and it is a smaller version and the first mass-produced electric car. that is coming from the United States, and hopefully we will see those electric cars in Brisbane, made in Australia too, because there is a rumors that in Adelaide there used to be a Holden and a Ford company producing cars here for the local market, which hasn't been operating since last year. And there is rumors that Indian billionaire from UK is talking to government, and he wants to purchase that company and start building electric cars, which is amazing hope for this country being able to produce electric cars, because we have all the metals required for building of successful building of electric cars. So this is a quick update from Maryborough, from our road trip to Hervey Bay. We are staying for a week and testing this car, because this is road trip number 3 after the first one between Melbourne and Brisbane. Then we went to Lennox Head, and now we are heading to Hervey Bay for a bit of a rest after a long periods of hard work. So stay tuned, and please feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you like this video, click on like, share with your friends, and last request, if you would like to see more of these videos on this YouTube channel, please do click subscribe. It will help me to get this number of subscribers to 1,000, and that will keep this channel monetized, because YouTube is changing as of 20th of February, and only YouTube channels with more than 1,000 subscribers will be monetized. I mean, it's far from covering my time and effort editing and uploading these videos. It may work out like $2 per video on the amount of videos I have there. So thank you for your support, I appreciate it. Click down here on the subscribe button and on bell notification, so you'll be notified about every video that comes out. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. And we are now on 90%, and we are continuing on our journey. I think we stopped charging. Yes, that's right. So we have charged to 90%, and it's time to carry on. And the range is 324 kilometers.